The storms aren't done yet. I literally just saw 2 lightning bolts off camera. And they are close. When I say close, I mean they're in the sky, like right there. My hand is starting to shake slowly. I told you that storm was gonna get severe. This is round 3. Keep an eye on it, keep an eye on that. Hold it. I'm literally watching my computer. I am watching from my computer. Yo! That was close. That is close. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm saying today was freaking successful as ever. As soon as I sit down, like a few minutes later, and a few seconds later, I'm gonna try. I am watching for more strikes. This is crazy. Those were very close bolts.
I thought you were very good, but I didn't know they changed the rules around. They've been changing the rules for that place constantly. I don't know why.
I am checking radar.
All I can say is I would take you down to those magical places I was talking about. Woodview Terrace is one. They're
Yo, I caught that as well.
the old LH High School, which is out by Pat Pete. I don't think I'm not wondering.
All right, let's go outside. I want to catch these on film. I'm catching these on camera today. It's because of that severe thunderstorm over there. It's like every minute and 20. Come on, I know you want to strike. Give it all you got. I caught that one, for sure. I caught that one. Bob, today is awesome. Today is awesome. Aren't you glad? I'm not taking another step. I am not taking a step from here. I am not taking another step. This is where I'm staying. This is where I'm staying. It's like every minute. Literally, it's like every minute. Yeah, I'm saying today was a freaking successful day. Alright, next minute. This is the minute. Watch the skies. Yo, caught that! Today is successful. This is crazy. Okay, this is the next minute. I saw nothing at this minute. Well, I'm gonna record until the storm is over, cause like it's gonna last a while. Cause there's a severe dust warning for my county, but northern Fayette, not southern Fayette. Where is it gonna strike this time? Was that a double? I'm pretty sure that was a double. I am pretty sure that was a double. This is a huge risk right here. This is a huge risk. I'm kind of taking it right now. I want to see some bolts of lightning. I want to try to see on my phone. It's getting very high in the sky. We're gonna watch it on my phone. Cause I can never tell if I catch them or not here. And I'm making sure I do. So I'm not getting anything right now. I'm gonna back up to my doorway because I need to be there. Just in case. Okay, that scared me. Yeah, it's starting to become distant. Thunder? Thank you. Yes, I'm just a kid catching lightning bolts. Nothing too good. Nothing new. Oh, if those birds get struck, it is over. Them birds get struck, it's over. Watching out. Come on. Come on. I know you want to do it. Come on. Whoa! I caught that. I caught that. I caught that. Pretty sure I'm dead. Talk about me not liking thunderstorms back in the past, but now, boom, I do. Huh? What's wrong? You picking on me? Mom? You talking about me?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Talking about last summer when we had those 2 tornado warnings.
Oh my God, woman, I'm done. I'll just keep on watching. My phone is about to die, so I'm gonna have to stop recording here soon. I've used it so much today. Just for these thunderstorms. My God. I'm guessing that's it. Have a great day.